Assalamualaikum dear students. As you already know, we have studied the external ear in the previous video. Now we will move towards the middle ear. First of all, what do you know about middle ear? Write the names of its bones. The answer of this question is middle ear is a chamber after external ear. These three small bones called middle ear ossicles are present in a chain in middle ear. These movable bones include malleus, incus and stapes. Define malleus. Malleus is attached with eardrum. Then comes incus and finally stapes, that is connected with a membrane called oval window. What do you know about oval window? Oval window separates middle ear from inner ear. What is the function of eustachian tubes? Middle ear also communicates with nasal cavity through eustachian tube. This tube regulates the air pressure on both sides of eardrum. Well students, these were some important short questions, and if we talk about the MCQ on this page, middle ear is a chamber after external ear. There are three small bones called middle ear ossicles. Malleus is attached with eardrum. Middle ear communicates with nasal cavity through eustachian tube. Stapes is smallest bone of the human body. It is an important MCQ students. The smallest bone of human body is stapes. Well students, this is the diagram of structure of human ear. If you are asked about the external or internal structure of human ear and its parts, then you have to draw this diagram with the explanation. This also contains the proper labeling. So this is the answer of the structure of human ear with proper labeling. Next we are studying the inner ear. First of all, the question is write the parts of inner ear. Inner ear consists of three parts, that is vestibule, semicircular canals and cochlea. Define vestibule. Vestibule is present in the center of inner ear. What is the function of cochlea is the next important short question. The cochlea is made of three ducts and wraps itself into a coil tube. Sound receptors are present in the middle duct of cochlea. Moving towards the important MCQs. Inner ear consists of three parts. Semicircular canals are posterior to vestibule. The cochlea is made up of three ducts. Next, alright students, this is the diagram of structure of inner ear. And if you are asked about the explanation of inner ear, then you have to draw this diagram. This diagram can also be asked as a short question. Next question you can see over here, to which part of ear the tympanum belongs. Then you can remember easily, we have studied the word tympanum in the external ear, right? Alright students, this is an important long question. What do you know about the process of hearing? Then you have to write the answer starting from here and it ends over here. This is the process of hearing. This is the long question, and if we talk about the MCQs, the pinna of external ear focuses and directs sound waves into auditory canal. From stapes, the vibrations strike the oval window and then reach the fluid-filled middle duct of cochlea. The receptor cells generate a nerve impulse which travels to brain and is interpreted as sound. Well students, next topic is soundless world. First question on this page is define deafness. What are its causes? Answer to this question is deafness is a state in which hearing is not possible. The defect of eardrum, cochlea, middle ear ossicles or auditory nerve may cause deafness. These are the causes of deafness. MCQ on this page include infection in eustachian tube may spread to middle ear too. Eardrum may be damaged by infection in auditory canal. Next topic is ears maintain the balance of body. How ears maintain the balance of body? This is a long question as well. If we talk about the MCQs on this page, then semicircular canals and vestibule help to maintain the balance of body. Vestibule can detect any changes in the posture of body. The last MCQ on this page is the neurons coming from these two receptors reach cerebellum through the auditory nerve. Well students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs in the given topics. We will discuss the next topics in the upcoming videos inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.